Today we'll talk about how can you enable autosave images on your app, which app. You go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this way, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click on me down here. When just click here on me, it's going to take you to next step here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on general here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click on settings. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then just come here to auto save videos, click in this sign. So when you just click here in this sign, then like you see this color show for us here, that's mean auto save videos enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.